Looking to invest in a pair of premium wireless over-ear headphones, but can't decide between the Sony WH-1000XM6 and the Apple AirPods Max? You're not alone. These two models are at the top of the game when it comes to sound quality, active noise cancellation, and smart features. But which one deserves your money? Let's break it down. Design and comfort. The AirPods Max deliver a sleek, premium feel with anodized aluminum ear cups and a unique mesh headband. It's definitely a statement piece, modern and stylish, but that metal comes at a cost, literally and weight-wise. Many users mention they can feel heavy over time, especially during long listening sessions. The Sony WH-1000XM6, meanwhile, leans toward a lighter, more traditional design with a super soft cushion and lower clamping force. Most users say it's more comfortable for all-day wear, ideal for flights, work sessions, or casual listening. Noise cancellation. This one's close. The Sony XM6 continues Sony's legacy of industry-leading noise cancellation, now with upgraded adaptive sound control and AI-driven adjustments based on your location or movement. The AirPods Max also offer excellent ANC, especially for constant low-frequency sounds like airplane hums or city traffic. Some reviews say the Max edges out Sony in consistency, but Sony still wins in customizable ANC features. Sound quality. Sound is subjective, but here's the honest breakdown. AirPods Max deliver rich, spatial audio that's immersive, especially when paired with an iPhone. The soundstage is wide and clear, and the bass hits without overpowering the mids and highs. The Sony XM6 offers a slightly warmer sound signature with powerful bass and crystal clear highs. And here's a bonus. Sony gives you a full EQ in the app, so you can tailor the sound exactly how you like it. If you're an audio purist, Sony's flexibility might win you over. But if you're in the Apple ecosystem and love spatial audio, the Max is a treat. Battery life. Sony wins here, hands down. Sony WH-1000XM6, up to 30 hours of battery life with ANC on and 40+ hours with it off. Plus, a 3-minute quick charge gives you 3 hours of playback. AirPods Max, about 20 hours of battery life with ANC on. No quick charge to match Sony, and charging requires Apple's proprietary Lightning cable. Pick connectivity and ecosystem. If you're all in on Apple devices, the AirPods Max shine with instant pairing, device switching, and seamless iCloud syncing. It's smooth, smart, and convenient. Sony offers multi-point Bluetooth pairing and works across all platforms: Android, iOS, Windows, you name it. If you're not tied to Apple, Sony gives you more freedom and compatibility. User reviews summary. Sony WH-1000XM6 users rave about comfort, sound customization, long battery life, and practical travel design. The noise canceling gets high marks, with many calling it best in class. AirPods Max users love the premium build and integration with Apple products. The sound is often described as studio grade, but the weight and high price point draw criticism. Also, the lack of a traditional power-off button and the need for the smart case frustrates many. Wallet price check. The AirPods Max are still significantly more expensive than the Sony WH-1000XM6, with the Max retailing around $549, while Sony's XM6 typically lands around $398, often even less with sales. Bottom line, which should you choose? Choose the AirPods Max if you're fully in the Apple ecosystem and value soundstage, design, and seamless connectivity. Choose the Sony WH-1000XM6 if you want longer battery life, greater comfort, top-tier ANC, and more bang for your buck. Either way, you're getting top-tier headphones. It just depends on what you value more. Want to check current prices or find a deal? Opens? Both product links are available in the video description below. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Amazon Secrets Revealed, for more honest reviews, smart tech picks, and real-world product breakdowns.